In-house manufacturing brings higher levels of quality, higher levels of reliability, and higher levels of performance. The products we make today, we would not be able to deliver without this capability in-house.
It's pretty unique. We control all the variability in the manufacturing process. And there's not too many suppliers out there that I've seen that I'm aware of that will start with a particle and build that product all the way to delivering that finished column. What we focus on is the repeatability, the reliability of the material. The only way you're going to do that is by controlling the process.
Our manufacturing strategy is global. So in Milford, this is our center of excellence. We have a sister operation in Wilmslow, England, and then the volume manufacturing is done in Wexford, Ireland. In Taunton, Massachusetts is where we synthesize the powders for the separation. Now, this is a unique capability for Waters. Here is where we do the introduction and production of the leading edge products, so the newest generation products. And then as products become higher volume and more stable, we actually outsource them to our contract manufacturing partners in Singapore.
We have the product manager, the marketing managers that will work with the customers and the R&D folks. And we will work closely with them to solve the customer's problem in developing materials or columns that is going to take care of what their needs are.
And the unique thing about Waters that's very different from a lot of other companies is we're able to take input from those customers and feed it right back to our operations and manufacturing. I can come right to the operations team and they can make subtle changes quickly and I can respond to the customer within weeks. Compared to if I had to deal with an outside contractor that might not understand what exactly we're trying to do, it could take months, if not many months to a year, to kind of turn things around.
We strategically insource or develop technologies for producing high complexity, high value add parts. These are parts that require high levels of control, strict tolerances, and they're components, frankly, that we're unable to source on the outside. An example of these parts would be our high pressure switching valve. We make our own rotors and we make our own stators. The stator process involves a sequence of operations, about 12 operations long. It's a technology that's not available on the outside. On an annual basis, we do a major product introduction of 1 to 2 new products a year. Each product requires the development and implementation of roughly 5 to 7 modules. During the product introduction phase, they're all made here. When we make something today versus next week or next year, you're going to get the exact same product. This is very important in a highly regulated environment.
Waters doesn't have the lowest cost products, but we show them why the product is valued at that much higher because of the controls we have in place and the reliability and reproducibility of our material. We still today make products that are 30, 40 years old, and they still work the same because we have customers that are still using these older products that have been established in methods that have been written in, and we need to provide them those materials, and that's another benefit of Waters' capability is doing that. I don't know if there's anyone else that does that or will do that. Try it. Try the product and tell me if you can find anything else better than our material out there. Between columns and between batches, the repeatability and the reliability of material is second to none. And that's what distinguishes us from the rest of the industry out there.